Let's take a look at what's new in the component libraries for version 27 of Vertex BD. Based on a customer survey from spring, we've added almost 200 new models to the library. You will find new furniture, kitchen cabinets and appliances, fireplaces and sauna stoves, outdoor furniture. This is all now included within the libraries. Most of the new components are parametric, so they can be easily modified according to the situation required. The component browser has also been improved and updated, and there is now more logical structure. For example, all the furniture can be found under the same main path. Furniture can now be hidden more easily in the 2D drawings with the new layer 149. Everything useful, including this, can now be found in the renewed libraries in version 27 of Vertex BD.